welcome friends. I'm super excited to think about welcoming you to our self-care course. This is going to be quality time for you, quality me time, as we say. It's going to be time to be able to start caring for so many different parts of how we experience ourselves, our relationships in the world. We're going to have an awesome time with live and fun lectures and time for questions and answers on Tuesdays. And so there we're going to have 2-hour workshops to really go deep, be able to engage and share some clinical insights on how we take care of our bodies, how do we regulate our physiology, how do we support our affective experiences, our emotions, challenging emotions, maybe of exhaustion, tiredness, of anger, frustration, depression, anxiety, and how we take care of our minds. How do we get back a sense of creativity, a sense of passion, a sense of enthusiasm in what we're doing? Eudaimonia in the Greek tradition, as they call it. So we're going to have many tips for you. We're going to have many ways in which we're going to have practical ways to support you, build strategies, so that in the midst of a busy daily life, you can self-care, care for all these parts of who we are, and then actually also care for the way in which we engage in relationships. So we're going to be supporting you in all these different relationships. We have intimate relationships, in work relationships, family, friends, etc. And so we'll have these Tuesday sessions, and then we'll have a daily video that you will receive in order to support you in a practice so that you can deepen and integrate these skills and these capacities in the midst of your busy daily life. So we'll have these videos every day, a couple of minutes, up to 10 minutes, no more. Sometimes meditations, sometimes reflections, sometimes just some explanations and descriptions so that we can integrate a sense of care in all these dimensions of our lives. Our inner experience, a sense of self, how we engage in relationships, and also how we engage in the world. Maybe some of us need a little bit more encouragement, a sense of inspiration, a sense of connection, so that we can feel like there's more purpose in when we wake up in the morning to actually contribute to a meaningful, supportive, skillful, healing society for us as humans and for the wider world, which is so important. There are really dire challenges in our political sphere, in our ecological sphere, in our economic sphere. So this is going to be a good time. It's going to be a relaxing time, an enjoyable time, a time for learning and a time for caring. And we welcome you to each of these sessions. You can register on NeuroSystemics.org. We have the self-care course there as part of the care workshops. And you'll also have the opportunity to register on our e-learning platform, neurosystemics.learnworlds.org. And there you can have all of the free materials coming in daily, just as in the post. So you have your refreshment to start the day. So we welcome you and look forward to be able to support you so that you can go deeper, you can engage with yourself. And actually, talking about going deeper, maybe if you are interested, you can also join our care training. At the end of September 2021, we'll have our care training, which is the really in-depth 3-year journey to build therapeutic and clinical skills. And you can have a look at that on the website if you're interested. So welcome. May you be well, may you be cared for. And thank you for joining our community. We look forward to having you, because together we go further, my friends.